n54 on an S55 action on Mama's.
Twin turbo with
Stock twins versus upgraded single. Let's see. Get fucked. Get fucked. Get fucked. That's money right there. Let's see. Let's see what might be the excuse.
Misfire.
Misfire. On Mama's S55. M4 took the dub.
Okay, turbo.
Took the dub by a car on Mama's. Easy dub. Let's go.
Oh my God, right there.
Boss, if I don't. What was it? By half a car? By half a car? Hey, what's your input on this, bro?
My input. This is Chema. This is Angel, Northwood sponsored.
Hey! Whoa!
Northwood sponsored. Badge number. You know, someone.
Badge number.
Badge number 75.
Nah, it's a 135. It's a 135. They told us it was a 335, but came up with a 135.
I think
on some bullshit.
I'm dyslexic, so you know, I got confused.
Fuck it.
Forgot the other three.
Stock M4. I'm just kidding.
Upgraded turbo. No.
Upgraded turbo. Nah, stock turbos M4 versus upgraded single turbo n54.
Stock turbos.
M4 dub. 135i dead.
The black M4 on the tire.
Let's go.
I'm down. What about the M4? You want to run it? Is that your car?
That's my car.
My car is stock downpipes.
I put turbos on waiting on the tune.
Yeah?
It's just on a safe tune right now to go back and forth.
Oh, for sure.
435 right here.
That's 435?
Upgrade turbo, right? Galeanos. Silent moment. It's true.
I don't have a crank hub.
I don't have a crank up either. Mine's a brand new motor.
Trying to run for
It's
another
not.
five?
It's not good.
I don't think so, bro.
Not the crank though, honestly, unless you're doing a fucking launch.
With the 2 Series?
Honestly.
Two
You'll be
Series?
good. You'll be good. Honestly, if you don't do a launch, if you don't do it for a bigger file.
What's done with it?
FBO.
FBO? You trying to run an ATSV?
Next week?
Cadillac.
Yeah, downpipe, intake, E10.
Most likely, I'm down.
For sure. Right. Yeah. Just hit up or whoever was texting our group chat or whatever, or
I don't know.
Our crew, just hit them up and we'll lock something in for next week.
I'm down. What roll do you want on the ATSV?
60.
That's fine. We go to 160. That's cool.
Alright.
That's fine.
With the misfire? Yes,
sir. I mean, like, when you gonna fix the plugs? For sure.
Do a cashers though.
They already gave him the cash.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, good runs. I mean, if you guys want to run it back real quick for fun, it's there. Yeah? Alright, bet. Alright. XIVK runners for the win, my boys.
The one with the blanket.
We ran it for $100, guys. $100. That was it.
Okay, cool. Fuck you guys. Today I fucking don't put in money. You guys want to win?
Oh, mamas. Oh, mamas, bro.
This is a message from Angel. Time is a fucking bitch.
Hey.
Because last time I lost $500 because of his punk ass.
It wasn't 500. These nuts, nigga. Pop.
When you get the
Pop, bro, that's just fight for the win. Hey, we're not that dialed in, but hey, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. There it goes.
Wait until my ECU goes back. I'm going for the M340 title.
We still won. Fuck, you got the dough. Still won, got the dough.
I mean, wait until my ECU comes back, bro. I'm going for the M340 title.
I hope so. Damn, with the 360 camera, say less. Fuck those tires, hell, bro.
Don't ever listen to Victor. He makes you buy a fucking $60,000 car and then makes you ship out your ECU, and then you have a brand new fucking 2022 just sitting in your driveway collecting dust.
That's crazy. They're getting a rerun right now with the 135 and the XIVK M4. We already did one run. This will be we already did one run for 500 a side. Right now it's just a fun run. XIVK's black M4 with some 130, 135i. Not even in the crew. I'm almost, bro. M4 is for the win, bro.
Hey, Jonathan, since you weren't here, bro, we gotta tax your cut 70%.
We're shipping. We're shipping.
70%, so you're only getting $30 off of it.
They're getting rerun. Damn, M4 put him in, but downpipe intakes, E50. E50.
We could pop the two right now.
Yeah, E50.
He has a what? What's that shit called?
Flex fuel.
The flex fuel.
Yeah, it has a sensor on it. It says it's on E50. I ain't trying to do it, but. M4 on 135i action. Maxed out M54 versus downpipe intake E50 M4. Got the win. First run. For money, 500
No,
side.
you passed
him a little bit after. Yeah, right after you passed him.
Yeah, I passed him at like 140 and then we went up to like 150 or whatever.
Fuck it. Good runs. Good runs. M4 for the win on Mamas. XIVK for the win tonight. For real?
Motherfucker has a whole trailer.
Oh shit. He blew his shit. Bro, he blew his shit. He fucked his shit.
That's a fucking flame I see.
Fuck.
That's not the flame. That's
Nah. He fucked his shit. I don't know what it is. Fuck. He blew his some shit, bro. He was pushing it too hard. Too soon, Junior on Mamas. Fuck. M4 still healthy. Check her out. She's still healthy. She's ready for 5 more runs. Huh? Oh, fuel line popped off. Oh, never mind. Nah, he's good. N54 problems.
I top ended it. What you mean? I got him. I got it right at like 140. I fucking before 140.
Hey.
I know, bro. That shit's done.
Crew. Hey, on Mamas, look. Ash Chica's
Right,
crew.
right before, bro. I passed him right here. That was at like 130. Homie out here trying to say that we ducking. Psych, nigga. XIVK for the win. I don't know, bro. That shit fell on its. Sure.
Yeah, it is fuel.
All the way from over there, bro. I seen that shit from down there, bro. I was like, what the fuck is that?
Bro, Mama's the 135 isn't even on their crew, bro. That ass just got some random nigga do their work. Can't do it themselves.
We don't know that dude, bro. He didn't want to tell us his at. So we were beefing with this one crew, trying to say that I guess we were ducking, and then it's a whole ass different crew. And homie hit us with a person that's not even in his crew. I think it was single turbo. That shit was single turbo. M41, that shit. That wasn't Hugo, bro. It was an N54. Hugo's N55.
You took their money and broke his car?
Sirski. I had to let him borrow my tires and my driver mod. All right, hey, start swapping the tires, my guy. Start swapping the tires back.
Hey, we don't got the other Jag.
Yeah, Hugo's N55, but I don't think that was Hugo, bro. I know Hugo. That wasn't him. It was a different guy racing me.
That was lucky.
That was Lucky?
He said that was lucky.
Oh, that was Lucky?
Oh, yeah, because Chema knew him because he had the cube.
Oh, that was Lucky, fool? Yeah, because they thought it was Hugo. Yeah, bro, it's Lucky. It was in his 135. 1,000 pot, 500 aside. M4, XIVK.
I have a 600 horsepower Subaru. Anybody want?
That one right there.
Oh, numbers are lying. The graph shows more than that, but it doesn't.
You put it on a Mustang dyno, right? Oh, you're talking about torque, right? Go, bro. It's your car. Let's go.